Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use Gemini Canvas to create a fully functioning app. Ladies and gentlemen, we want to build a fully functioning app. Let's go into gemini.google.com, click on tools over here in this middle section, click on Canvas. And here we are going to paste in a prompt. Now I create all my prompts with perplexity.ai. So basically what I do is I give it an idea and it gives me an enhanced prompt and I can change that and edit it right over there. So let's go in and paste it. All right, we're looking for a fully functional mental health tracker mobile app for iOS and Android with user authentication and a lot more detail. Simply, if you want to upload any media, let's say you want to upload your brand colors, your brand logo, or anything else, your information to add into your app, you can go ahead and click on this Add Files button over here. But for now, let's go and click on Submit. Now, this will take just about 2 to 3 minutes to actually create. And once you're done, it's fully customizable. Ladies and gentlemen, you can see over here we have a fully functioning app. It's actually quite fantastic. We've got a daily status, a new entry, Zen mode. We got progress reports over here. And then we have, this is our homepage. We've got a new entry stats over here. We've got decompression, and then we've got some awards or rewards throughout. So there are 2 ways to actually edit this. You can go over to the left-hand side here and you can just type out what it is that you'd like to have changed in just regular human terminology. And secondly, you can go and click on select and ask. So here you can go ahead and you can select this perhaps, and you can say change the font type or change the color or whatever it may be. You can edit that, and you can also see that you have access to the code as well, so there's no secrets here. This is everything that you need, and if you need to deploy this, there are a few ways to do so. You can actually take this and you can plug it into, you can copy paste all of your code and you can have it actually pasted into wherever you're going to deploy it.